Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor Kenyatta and I will be taking you through the visual literacy and its significance in the learning processes. So we are starting by defining what is visual literacy. One, we can say that visual literacy gives a group is the ability to both read and write visual information. It is also can also be defined, but it is all about is as being able to interpret pictorial diagrams. This refers to a group of competence literacy a human being can develop by seeing and at the same time having and interpreting similar experiences. And let us turn and look at what we call how to become visually literate by determining the nature and the extent of the materials needed. And number two is finding and accessing needed images and visual media effectively and efficiently. Number three, you can say by interpreting and analyzing the meaning of images and visual media. Another way you can of becoming visually more literate is evaluating images and their sources. Another way is by ever using images and media effectively. This is by designing and creating meaningful images and visual media. We can also as well check on how to calculate if visual literacy. This can be done by when you present photos without a caption, teach graphic design, let visual material stand firmly on its own rather than complementing other running processes. Let us turn and look at the characteristics of good visuals. Yeah, good visuals should communicate clearly. Another characteristics of good visuals is that it should communicate the message in a simple way without unnecessary details. Good visuals should also be well composed. Pictures should be well organized. The color used should enhance harmony and effectiveness of the visuals. The important parts of a picture should stand out. And let us turn and let us look at the significance of visual literacy. Visual literacy enables gradual development of the student reader's understanding, slowing down the analysis process by making it more deliberate and enabling students to build their own interpretation, to rely on their own powers of critical thinking. Yeah, to add on that, we can say that it gives quiet and reluctant students more opportunities to feel comfortable in the classroom. Visual literacy also enables students to gain experience in interpreting works of art, e.g., advertisements, graphics, road signs, and many more materials. And visual literacy as well encourages students to analyze, reflect, and evaluate their thinking skills. Of more essence, you can say that visual literacy enables learners to see, learn, and communicate, interact, and comprehend. In as much as textual literacy is needed, visual literacy is as well needed because it enables students to think critically. So we were going to finally look at the importance of instructional materials. The instructional materials afford a high degree of retention of content. Another importance of instructional material is that the bright colors and background music and content makes topics appealing to watch, read, and understand. Another importance is that they arouse curiosity and make the child want to know more. And they also allow students to interact with words, signs, in ways that develop their abilities in reading, viewing, and thinking. They take away some of the monotony in the classroom that makes students sit up and take notes. They are more interactive and engage students to understand. I guess we will have to stop there. Thank you, and welcome to my YouTube channel again. My name is Victor Kenyatta, a physical student at African Nazarene University, pursuing education, communication, and technology, a physical student. Welcome again.